Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start. A crochet phone cover is a protective case for a mobile phone made using the crochet techniques, which involves creating fabric by interlocking lobes of yarn on thread with a crochet hook. These covers are handmade and can be customized in various sizes, colors, patterns, and designs to suit individual preferences. You can either make one yourself if you know how to crochet, or purchase one from handmade goods stores or online marketplaces like Chic. Here are some tips to help you crochet a phone cover. Choose the right yarn or hooked yarn. Use durable yarn like cotton or a cotton blade, as it is sturdy and holds its shape well. Hook. Use a crochet hook that matches your yarn width. A smaller hook can create a tighter space for more durability. Measure your phone. Measure the dimensions of your phone, length, width, and thickness. Add a little extra for easy and to ensure the cover fits snugly, but not too tight. Select a stitch pattern. Basic stitches. Start with single crochet or half double crochet for a dense fabric. Decorative stitches. Use shell, puff, or double stitches for added texture and design. Create a base. Start with a chain that matches the width of your phone. Work in rounds to form the bottom of the cover, adjusting to fit the shape of your phone. Work the sides. Crochet in continuous rounds or rows to build the height of the cover. Ensure the sides are even and consistent for a polished look. Add a closer. Include the flap with a button loop for added security. Consider adding a drawstring or elastic for easy access. Customize. Add embellishments like flowers, beads, or stripes to personalize the cover. Incorporate different yarn colors for a unique design. Reinforce the edge. Use slip stitches or reverse single crochet along the edge for durability. Test the fit. Continuously check the size by fitting the cover onto your phone as you work. Make adjustment if it's too loose or too tight. Core instructions if gifting or selling. Include care instructions for most yarns. Hand washing in cool water is best. With practice, you can create functional and stylish phone covers tailored to any phone model. Here Here are some additional tips for making a crochet phone cover. Advanced design tips. Use color work. Experiment with color changing techniques like tapestry crochet or intarsia to create patterns or images. Stripes, geometric designs, or even custom details can make the cover stand out. Incorporate texture. Use species like popcorn, puff, or cables to add a tactile element to the phone cover. Texture designs not only look attractive but can also provide a better grip. Add a strap or handle. Adjust a crochet strap or loop to convert it into a mini bracelet or hanging case. Line your cover. Sew a fabric lining inside the cover to enhance protection and prevent the phone from sagging on the stitches. Practical tips. Test stitches for strength. Choose stitches that are dense enough to protect the phone but not too tight to stretch properly. Use stitch markers. Mark the beginning of each round when crocheting in the round to ensure consistency. Secure your ends. Weave in loose ends securely to prevent the cover from unrelieving over time. Reinforce high-stress areas. Add extra rows or tighter stitches around areas prone to wear, such as opening or button flap. Add a charging slot. Leave a small opening at the bottom of the cover for the charging port, so the phone can be charged without removing the case. Tools and accessories. Blocking for shape. Block your crochet work, weighten and shape it to size to give it a polished, even look. Experiment with closures. Use magnetic snaps, velcro, or even a zipper for a professional finish. Ear care. If you use wool or other delicate yarns, choose ones that are machine washable or pre-treated for durability. Creative ideas. Add appliques. Attach crocheted flowers, hearts, or other appliques for added personality. Themed-based designs. Create covers inspired by seasons, holidays, or hobbies, like a pumpkin-themed cover for fall or a sporty design. Interactive covers. Add playful elements like small crocheted charms or a pocket for storing accessories like a stylus. Pro tips. Practice gauge swatching. Crochet a small test swatch to ensure your stitches are the right size of your phone dimensions. Is durable yarn. Consider blends with nylon or acrylic for strength, especially if the cover will see heavy use. Experiment with stitch variations. Try combining stitches like single crochet and double crochet to create unique textures and patterns. Personalized it, adding details, names, or symbols to hold special meaning for the intended user. With these tips, you can elevate your crochet phone cover from simple protection to a stylish, functional accessory. We think these ideas will help you create a beautiful and charming crochet phone cover. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!